That's not a unicorn. That's not a ginormous rainbow. You can actually see all the colors. Yeah, there's green.
You film it some?
And what? That's all.
Is that what you're doing?
No, I see blue and purple.
Look at the rainbow. It's amazing.
I think I see it's huge yellow.
That's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like that first thing in the morning.
Me either. It's the sunrise rainbow. You can see it over here. Bed hair, don't care. we literally looked out the window and saw that and ran out here from our bed.
What a beautiful way to start a day.
Gotcha.
I said shut down the pinto beans. Let's make a quick, easy lunch and get out. We're going down to the barn to get ready to sell some pigs. We kind of have mixed feelings about selling these pigs because they're so cool.
I love them.
And we're behind schedule, so I said, hey, let's just get all the kids outside, get Bree outside, and have them eat on the picnic table out here.
Because I had been stuck inside and it's like 60 degrees and I was like starting to deflate in my joy for life. So he came and saved me. He rescued me. You ever get stuck?
Yeah, I do get stuck sometimes.
You got me out of it. You got me unstuck.
Hey, don't put your food on that table, kids. Just pick it up and eat it. It's a little dirty. Get that cat secured before it grabs a sandwich.
It would be a good idea to have mine.
You can, that's kind of torture. The cat, he's just got to sit there and watch him eat their sandwiches.
Yeah, we're just locking the goats in here. I'm not actually giving them this food, though I did give them a little handful so they didn't feel tricked.
The plan here is to get the boar and the sow into that lower area of the barn so we can load them into the trailer on the other side of the barn. That'll be the easiest way to do it. First, we got to raise up this fence as high as we can in this area right here. Put a little food right here to get them under this fence. This is why we don't have the goats out, right?
Exactly. Hi, you cutie. Man, she looks good. She is so healthy. You're so healthy, Mama. She really looks amazing. He's a little overweight. Yeah, she's kind of perfect, I feel like, right now. Hi, you want to go somewhere? It's okay, Wilder.
Now we're just gonna let him kind of ease out that way, not come this way. And we're gonna take it easy and slow.
Oh, I don't want to sell them. They're just the best pigs. They're so sweet and gentle. Say bye to Daddy.
Oh, they're gonna walk right in there. They know where to go. See if we can get Donald out.
Come on, Donald.
Donald out. You don't want to be locked in here with these pigs.
Go on, Donald. Go on.
Yeah. Yeah, that feels good, doesn't it?
I would say, like, we're so amazing. We got the pigs in the barn, but that was the easy part. It's going to be getting them into the trailer. That's the very tricky part.
I think it'll be fine.
I'm quite happy he's so confident. Oh, I don't want to sell them. They're so beautiful.
So why do we have mixed feelings about selling these two pigs?
Well, one of the main reasons is I just like them. But the second, like, more practical reason is that I like the idea of our homestead eventually being a little more self-sustainable, and buying piglets every year and raising them as feeder pigs is cheaper, but that means we have to depend on somebody else to raise the babies for us. And I like the idea of having both, you know, I like the idea of having everything you need to produce your food here.
I think you're more torn about it than I am. I'm honestly really thrilled. I just think it's like the next step towards where we need to be. to actually do things that we want to do, you know, we don't want to breed and raise and sell and mostly keep dozens of pigs ever. And I don't want to have a breeding pair and 2 others. I want to just have 2 pigs that we're raising for meat for next year. And that's what we're about to have, 2 or 3.
You know, I just think we'll have more mental energy to put towards growing vegetables, which is very important. The buyers just got here and we're just giving them a rundown of what we know about the breeding pair and answering any questions they have.
Because it's 3, so the gestation period is 3 months. Yeah, 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days, almost to the day.
He just wanted to look at the different sizes of piglets to kind of see the growing rate, so we're just walking over to the pigs. No, you can't go in there. There is no clean part. Their bed is very, very clean and dry in there. We keep that very clean and dry. Good job, Duke. Thank you. Yep, have a good day. Yeah, nice to meet you. Are you sad the pigs are leaving? Not really. Are you sad the pigs are leaving? I am. Are you sad the pigs are leaving? Man, I'm the only one. Just how we've ended many of video. I'm gonna go let the goats out of the stall. How many pigs do we have now, honey?
6 pigs.
Exactly how many we want.
Yeah, that's right.
It's true. It's really nice to have the pig situation exactly how we want it to be. We have 3 to butcher this year, 3 to butcher next year, and we'll just buy some piglets to replace those as needed.
Might do 4 this year and
get some more for next year.
2 next year, or yeah.
Good job, that went so well.
Yeah, it did go good.
I was really
Good job
nervous,
for you too.
but don't touch me till you wash your hands.
Okay.
He's been scratching those pigs. Ugh. It's a great day on Homestead.
It's been another great day on Homestead.
See you in the next video.
See you later, bye.
Oh, we forgot about you. No, we didn't. Look, the kids trying to feed him apples.